So now everybody understood? I am
Yes.
repeating one more time. If you have doubt, if you have problem in upload, if you have problem in download, if you have anything, if you have doubt any of the topic which you are not understanding, you have to click the photo and send it on the group. Clear? It is my responsibility कि how I clear in the class, or I take a separate class for you and I explain, or I call you or solve this. Right? Clear? Your job is to send doubts to me. Correct? On the group, not on the personal. Personal may I don't check. Right? And I don't reply also. Everything has to be put in a graph and the group. So suppose Rishi has some doubt. Okay, Vidhi has some doubt. Advay has some doubt. Avni has some doubt. So you put it down to the way the doubt is posted. I'll reply to that. Okay, it is solved. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So at least it will make sure that I don't, suppose I miss something, you can send me reply, sir, you have not taken this doubt. Clear? Okay.
Yes.
And every class, I usually check first 10-15 minutes, I check the doubts.
Yes.
Correct? And Advay, you are telling me not uploading. ये मेरे को एक महीने से तो बता रहा है, sir, upload नहीं हो रहा, upload. Now it is very clear how to upload.
Yes.
If you still have a problem, you can call me, right? And
Yes.
don't save sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. No printout. Where there's an Excel, you have to take a print. You have to solve in Excel and save as a PDF and upload.
Yes.
Correct? Okay, chalo. Anybody else? Russia? Avni, what do you tell me? Russia, you want to tell me something?
So, which chapter do we have to open up the
बेटा वन
book?
मिनट डार्लिंग, एक चैप्टर ओपन करने में कितना टाइम लगेगा?
So
कितना
that's
टाइम
only
लगेगा?
my query.
पर कितना
Which
टाइम लगेगा?
chapter?
अरे मेरी जान, कितना टाइम लगेगा? अगर मैं बोलूं चैप्टर नंबर 5, चैप्टर नंबर 8, कितना टाइम लगेगा ओपन करने के लिए? इट विल टेक 2 minutes, राइट?
Less than 2 minutes.
रोमन नंबर हो गया, नंबर सिस्टम. ओके, चैप्टर नंबर. ओके, व्हाट ऑल थिंग्स वी हैव डन? विल मी चेक.
We have done Roman numbers, multiplication, number Roman system, Roman numbers, and rounding numbers. We have done number bonding, number names, Roman numbers, and
एक
first
मिनट, एक मिनट, एक मिनट,
session
एक
we
मिनट,
have done
एक
table
मिनट,
stuff.
एक मिनट, एक मिनट, एक मिनट, शांति रखो. ठीक है?
So,
कैन यू सी दिस हियर?
first time.
ओके, वी हैव डन रिवीजन.
Yep.
Easy one, right? It is the previous year, so revision you can do it, right? Roman number done. Okay, then we have done estimate and
Number patterns.
rounding we have done. Okay, then we have
Number
done
number bonding.
number bond. कहाँ पर है?
Sir,
Number.
there is number pattern on this number system. 7th chapter.
हाँ, number pattern. Correct. This is we have done, but we'll again revise it, right? Because I've
Sir,
taught.
what was number pattern?
अरे बेटा रुक जाओ. I've done so many chapters. Okay, let me open and we'll discuss on this. Correct है? ठीक है. So let me put it here and okay, चलो यहाँ पे गया मैं.
Perimeter.
Relate.
क्या देखो
Book share. Okay, I'm just putting it for my reference. ठीक है, so I can send you the whole part on. कौन आवाज कर रहा है? ये कौन डांस कर रहा है? Wait for. Okay. Okay, so I've done this solving. Okay. Chalo, it will get uploaded. So don't worry. Chalo. Now I open one by one. Roman number we already done. So I have already given you practice for the Roman number. You can practice it more if you want for this book, right? If you have any doubt, you can post on the group, right? So this is additional assignment I'm giving you. Something I'll give you on my worksheet. Something I'll give it from the book, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
This will have very little worksheet. Okay, we'll solve this in the class also. If you have any
Sir,
doubt, We can do this or we can solve in the class. बहुत छोटा चैप्टर है. It's only 5. हाँ बोल.
This is my school textbook.
One. Whose?
Mine, Advai's.
हाँ तो which is good ना?
Yes.
हाँ, good it is, right?
Yes, also.
ठीक है, चलो. Now,
Yeah.
so I am opening one by one to show you what exactly you have to do it and what exactly you. So Roman number done. Okay.
Yes.
Number system. Let's see what is number system. Okay. Number 5-digit secret number 10, 100,000, 10,000. Number names we already done, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Indian system we have done. Rishit, you have doubt? You can post the doubt. Okay, sir, I have doubt in this, right? And I have given you worksheet also for this, right?
Yes.
And we have done for crores and lakhs also, right? So million also, 100 million also we have done, right? So I have given you worksheet for that. Write the figures as well as in words, right? Smallest 5-digit number क्या होता है?
10,000.
9,000. The largest 5-digit number?
99,000.
99,999. Correct. And
Oh.
largest, smallest 3-digit number. So this is what you can do, right? Just go through this. I'll ask anytime one. Face value, place value we have done. Expanded form we have done. Skipping count. Okay. Place value, it is done. Counting the twos. Yes. Avni bol.
So we have to solve this at like home whenever we
I'll give you to solve this. We solved this in
whenever
the
we
class
want, we
also.
can read any chapter ना. If
Sorry?
we want to read it. कभी भी read करना chapter से read कर सकते हैं ना.
हाँ करो क्यों ना. नाउ कौन बोल रहा है? Comparison of numbers. I gave you this comparison of number also, right? First, you have to check the number of digits and then you check the, if the number of digits are same, then you take the bigger or smaller digit, right? Writing the greatest number using the digit each only once without repetition. Very good. ये अभी मैं आपको बताऊंगा. This is also good, right? Exercise 5. चलो. So now I am giving you assignment to finish this. Okay, check and post your doubt of chapter 4, chapter 3, number system, right? Place value, face value. Now we'll solve this in the class. कब करेंगे हम लोग? क्लास में solve करेंगे. Every class, every chapter, we'll do 2-3 sums, right?
Yes.
Correct?
Shall I
And
bring
I'll solve it in the class only, right?
Sir,
So
shall I bring my textbook?
Sorry?
Shall I bring my textbook?
Who बेटा? I कौन?
Advait.
हाँ तो जाओ लेके आओ. तो पहले ही बोला था. अभी तक क्या कर रहा था? ठीक है चलो. Add and subtract. Very good. ठीक है. Now addition subtraction. How many types of addition subtraction you know? Actually, there are broad level 2 addition subtraction, right? 2.
With
Okay.
carrying, without carrying.
Very good. Addition without, sorry,
Without carry forward and with carry.
with carry and without carry, right? Now carry क्या होता है? What do you mean? कि if something, suppose if I give you a glass, right? This glass is of 200 ml, right? It can handle 200, you can store 200 ml of juice, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
ठीक है. If I pour something here, say 1 liter of juice, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
क्या होगा? Can I put all 1
It
liter?
will overflow.
It will overflow. तो इसकी कैपेसिटी के बाहर है, right? So similarly, when you have in math, you have ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, and so on, right? So every place can hold only 1 digit. कितना?
1.
1 digit. So suppose you have 4 plus 8. If you want to do, what will happen?
The answer is 12.
Answer is 12, but 12 you cannot keep it here.
Yes. So break it. Carry forward.
So very good. So what will give you? You will get 2 here and you have to put 10 here, right?
Yeah.
10 कैसे आएगा?
10 कैसे आएगा?
मेरे को
One will come. One.
1 कैसे आएगा?
One. It's not division.
हाँ तो it is 1 कैसे आएगा? मैं तो 10 बता रहा हूँ ना, 10 लेके जा रहा हूँ. 1 क्यों taking? You are taking 1.
One आएगा because we are we are putting the tens place.
Correct. Yeah, we are putting in 10th place. So 1 tens is equal to 10 ones. Correct. So when you are carrying over every time, this is tens is 10 times of ones. Tens and 100 में 10 times 10 is 100. 100 times 10 is 1000. 1000 times 10 is 10,000. 10,000 times 10 is 1 lakh. And 1 lakh times 10 is 10 lakhs. Clear?
Yes.
So whenever you are getting 2-digit number, you have to carry 1 digit to the next one. Correct? The left one. Clear hai?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So why it is? Because the place value, right? Because you are putting into higher place value, that is you are taking only one. So this is without carryover. यहाँ पे अपने को कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं है. It is no carryover for whatever this thing. So no issue. Right? So this is simple one. Do you want me to do this for you?
Sir, the first answer of that exercise 6 is 5,
Don't
7.
answer. I don't want to answer. Do you want me to do it? No, right?
No.
Yes. So here also you need to solve these questions in a book, right? Because here there is no place. So this you can solve live in the book, and this you have to solve it in notebook. Correct? Yes or no? And next class we'll solve this all the chapters we have done for addition, subtraction. Now I'll give you this. Which all chapters we have, I'll tell you this, right? We have revision, then we have Roman number, then have natural number, number system, then addition, subtraction, right? Till grade 4, point 4, we'll finish everything, right? So I'll just check कि कितना मैंने दिया है. ठीक है, one by one. It is not that I'll solve all this in a day, right? It is not possible, right? But next time I don't want, तो एक revision भी हो जाएगा. But next time I should know, no sir, मेरे को क्लास में आके मत बताओ सर मेरा ये प्रॉब्लम है. Is it clear?
Yes.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. So here I am writing. Okay. 12th July को I'll take chapter 1 to 4 live solving. Correct? Every time I'll do 1 or 2 sum solving, right? So everybody, those who are dying, please complete this and make it ready, right? Because I'm going to give assignment next. आज ही दूंगा मैं दो, right? And revision chapter. So every week I'm going to give you two chapters, right? Because we already done this. Or maybe if you want, we can give 1 chapter. लेकिन 2 chapter हो जाएगा because Roman number is very small, very easy. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Addition number system में भी बहुत 2 easy है, right? Addition subtraction भी easy है. Clear? Yes or no?
Yes.
Very good. चलो. So we'll see. This is chapter number 4, right? चलो. Now addition हो गया. Now we have word problem also regarding this, right? So you should know whether it has to be added because right now it will give only addition, then subtraction. But sometime when you get an exam, you will not know whether it has to be added or subtracted unless you know the thing. So maximum time I'll be spending on word problem. Clear? To make you understand how to be done, right? Right? Now see, the class 3 we have learned about the subtraction without and with borrowing of the smaller number consisting of 4 or less digits, right? Now if you know 2-digit subtraction, 1-digit subtraction to 3-digit number, whether it comes to 10-digit or 7-digit or 8-digit or 15-digit doesn't matter, right? Because you have to consider one at a time. Clear hai?
Yes.
Yes. So whether it is 4-digit, 5-digit, 7-digit, you should not be afraid. You can do anything, right?
Yes.
Now we use the same idea of subtraction for large number consisting of 5 or more digit. बराबर है. जब 3 digit का आ गया, 4 digit का आ गया, तो 5 digit में क्या प्रॉब्लम है, 7 digit में क्या प्रॉब्लम है, सेम चीज होती है, राइट? Suppose if I give you example, I hope everybody listening, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Suppose I am giving you an example as 8, 0, 2 minus, I'm just putting little minus far because I want to add something. 4, 7, 9. Correct? Now is a 3-digit number? Yes or no?
Yes.
He say we can borrow from here. अरे इसके पास भी पैसा नहीं तो ये क्या करे यहाँ से borrow करेगा. I'll put 7 here. I'll put 10. Again cut here 9. I'll put 12 here. Right? Because this is ones, this is tens, this is 100. Avni, wait. This is 3. Then you 9 minus 7, 2. Then 7 minus this, 3. Now suppose if I extend this further, right? Correct? Now this has become CD number. Doesn't matter, right? यहाँ पे कोई कैरी नहीं हो रहा तो यहाँ पे कट करो 11, कट करो 7, 11 minus 7, 4, 7 minus 9 नहीं पॉसिबल है, कट करो 2, कट 7 minus this 8, 2 minus 1 हो गया.
Yes.
If you want to carry further, you can add more numbers, right? But what I am doing, I am considering one at a time. At the most, second one. If it is not done, then the third one, right? But then again, I am coming to one by one, back to back, right? This is tens, this is 100, this is 1,000, this is 10,000, and this is lakh, right?
Sir.
Whether it is 2-digit, 3-digit, 4-digit, 5-digit, 7-digit, 8-digit, doesn't matter, right? It is the same thing what you do all the every time. हाँ बोल अवनी क्या प्रॉब्लम है.
I learned this in second. Sir, I did not understand.
वो
Sir,
बेटा
I learned. Avni,
क्या नहीं समझ में आया बेटा.
कैसे करते हैं?
बोरोइंग नहीं समझ में आ रहा है.
हाँ. It's very simple. Borrowing समझ में
एक मिनट हेलो 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 एक मिनट. हु वांट्स टू टीच. तो मैं क्लास में छोड़ दूं. अगर तुमको सिखाना है तो मैं क्लास छोड़ दूं.
नहीं.
नहीं ना तो मैं सिखाऊं.
हाँ ठीक है.
थैंक यू. ओके दोज हु अंडरस्टैंड आई एम हैप्पी वेरी हैप्पी राइट. आई एम मोर कंसर्न जिसको नहीं समझ में आ रहा राइट.
Sir,
यस
I want to tell that I want to tell a trick to remember minuend, subtrahend and difference.
वेरी गुड. विल सी द ट्रिक. पहले उसको कंसेप्ट समझने दे बेटा. ठीक है अवनी.
Sir, borrowing समझ गया पर what is minuend, subtrahend and
बेटा मैंने वो लिया अब तक.
नहीं.
मैंने अब तक यहाँ पे गया हूं मैं. हाँ तूने क्या बोला सर मेरे को समझा नहीं. डिड आई टीच यू दिस अवनी.
No.
तो मैं ये समझ में आ गया.
हाँ.
बस ठीक है. जितना मैं कैरी कर रहा हूँ जितना मैं समझा रहा हूँ उतना समझो. करेक्ट. डोंट रन अहेड. मेरे को क्या लगा तेरे को सब्ट्रैक्शन नहीं समझ में आ रहा है. क्लियर एवरीवन.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. डोंट गो अहेड अनलेस आई रीड दिस. मैं अभी रीड कर रहा हूं ना बेटा. ठीक है चलो अभी आजा. कौन था अद्विका.
हाँ सर.
फर्स्ट सेक्शन में व्हाट इज मेनू एंड व्हाट इज सबहैंड एंड व्हाट इज डिफरेंस.
Difference is the answer of
ना ना
the
ना डिफरेंस इज द आंसर. पहले मेनू एंड से चालू कर.
minuend is the number it's a number from which we subtract
Okay.
another number.
Suppose एक मिनट. Hello everybody. There is again parent noise coming on. अवनी
Yes, sir.
मम्मी को बोलो आवाज मत करे. 8, 1, 2, 3 minus 4, 7, 4, 9. Okay. So tell me which is menu hand, what is subhand, subtrahend.
The minuend is 8 and the subtrahend is 4.
The large number from which we subtract other number is called as menu hand. इसमें ये तो मेनू हैंड बोलती है और सबट्रैंड है.
No.
तो
8 is the minuend and 4 is the subtrahend.
it is not 8. It is not only 8. 8, 1, 2, 3 is the menu hand. The full number. This is a full number, right?
Yes, sir.
You can't say only 8. It's a full number, right? You get answer is what, only 4 or what?
No.
नहीं, फिर तुम्हारा आंसर पूरा करके आएगा तब आएगा ना. Everybody clear?
Yes.
So this is
So,
first
sir,
one.
menu end is something which is the upper
Bigger
part
number.
only.
Bigger number. Upper number.
Okay, not the lower. Even though the lower is the biggest.
लोअर कैसे बिगेस्ट होगा? कैसे
Oh, sir,
सब्ट्रैक्ट
yeah,
करेगी तो बेटा?
subtraction.
कैसे सब्ट्रैक्ट करेगी डार्लिंग? How will you subtract if the lower is bigger? I am not talking about one digit, right? I am talking about the whole number. How is it the whole number is 8,000 minus 4,000, right?
हाँ.
तो 8,000 बड़ा है कि 4,000 बड़ा है?
8,000.
समझ में आया?
हाँ.
So ये क्या लिखा है? The larger number from which the subtract the other number is saying number. They are not saying digit, right? This is one is a digit. This one is digit. This one is digit. This one is also digit. Clear? So they are talking about full number. That is 8123 the full number. 4749 is the full number. Clear?
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay. The number which is subtracted, जो subtract हो रहा है, तो किसको subtract कर रहे हो आप? 4349. So which one you are subtracting from the larger number, which is smaller number? It is called as subtrahend. Okay. The result subtraction is called as a difference, right? इसका जो भी आंसर आएगा, it is called as a difference. So यहाँ पे जो भी आंसर आया इसका, it is called as difference. So this is called as minuend. This is called as subtrahend. This is called difference. Clear?
Sir,
हाँ.
we can remember minuend, subtrahend and difference by MS.
क्यों जरूरत है? क्यों जरूरत है? इतना थोड़ी कॉम्प्लेक्स है. Why you want to unnecessary complex the things, right? The bigger number is minuend, smaller number is subtrahend, and difference जो आया उसका अपना जो आंसर आया उसका subtract करने के बाद. Okay.
And also menu.
हाँ. ठीक है.
It is just to
Now
say
subtraction
M
without
on the
borrowing मतलब बड़ा. See, subtract मतलब each digit of the each position will be greater than the each digit in the separate. अब इसके अंदर क्या होता है? Every digit is bigger than the uh, degree in this. 1 minute, just hold on. 1 minute. Yes, but. So, hello. बोलो. आप मेरा नंबर ब्लॉक कर दो. ठीक है. So every position or every place number in minuend is bigger than subtrahend, right? So you don't have to carry anything. 6 minus 5, easily you can do. 9 minus 6, you can do. 5 minus 3, you can do. 7 minus 2, you can do. 8 minus 4, you can do, right? Now, when comes, if you want to do so find the difference between this, right? So it is again the same thing. All the numbers are bigger. कोई problem नहीं है. This usually you can do it. I don't have to teach you. Correct? Yes or no? अब देखो यहाँ पे minuend दिया और subtrahend दिया. Now you should know which one is bigger and where I have to put the bigger number, right? Find the difference between the word they've used, right? So this, if you want, you can solve it here on this side, right hand side, or if you want to do it here also, if you want to do it here also, if you want to write here also, if you are comfortable writing, right? Now there is a missing number. Very good. Ab, let me solve this. Let me open it here. Wait a minute. Chalo. Let me open this as Sean, chapter wise. 1 minute.
Sir,
Yes, beta.
the first answer over there is
No, you have to answer here only. Why you want to answer in a book? You have to write in a separate notebook, right?
I'm not writing it. I'm not even written it in my textbook.
Okay,
I know it.
so tell me what is your question?
I have no questions.
So what do you want to tell me? What do you want to tell me? Tell me.
Nothing.
फिर क्या बोल रहा है? मतलब मेरे को समझ भी नहीं आया तो what you are trying to tell?
Sir, I want to tell you something.
हूँ बेटा.
Advika.
हाँ बोल बेटा.
We can remember minuend, subtrahend, and difference by MS Dhoni.
हाँ अच्छा, that do you are saying MSD. अच्छा, MSD, yes,
MSD. Our teacher told it in our school from second grade.
correct.
सीधा बैठ रहा है MSD.
Menu hand comes first, then subtrahend comes, and then comes this difference, right? ठीक है, चलो. It's a good way to remember. Right,
Minuend and then the difference answer.
right. ठीक, चलो. Okay. चलो, ठीक है. Can we check from revision directly chapter 1, 2, 3, 4? We'll directly revise here, right? And I'm going to give this assignment also, right?
Sir, can I go to the washroom?
Who beta?
Rasya.
Yeah. Go. Okay. WIP. What do you mean by WIP?
VIP. No, WIP.
What do you mean WIP? When I write WIP, what do you
Web. Oh shit, improviser process.
mean? Like, good try, what? Good try.
What do you mean by
Work
web?
in progress.
Okay.
Work in progress.
Progress.
Work in progress. That means this is, we have started, we have not completed yet, right? तो those who have not started, देखो ये मैंने पहले लास्ट ईयर में चालू किया था, तो मैंने वर्क इन प्रोग्रेस लिखा था, उसमें कुछ सॉल्व होंगे, राइट? ठीक है, ये देखो ये पूरा सॉल्व हो गया सिमेट्री का. ठीक है, तो ये पूरा सॉल्व है, तो उसको देख के हम डिलीट कर देंगे, राइट? ठीक है, ये देखो ये सॉल्व है, एच चंद का फ्रैक्शन का ग्रेड 4 फ्रैक्शन एच चंद सॉल्व, ओल्ड वाला है, राइट? ये ओल्ड वाला बुक है. लेंथ मास कैपेसिटी ओल्ड वाला है, चैप्टर नहीं लिखा है उसमें, राइट? विल सी एंड विल चेक कि क्या है, करेक्ट, राइट? करेक्ट, चलो. So can you see this? Now we'll solve every type. We'll solve one question, right? Every type.
One
Whatever you
question.
could do. Huh?
One chapter will solve.
One chapter. Every exercise will do one exercise, right?
One.
One, two, three things. Okay. Now, come on, fatafat. Largest 4-digit number.
9,000.
Everybody, एक मिनट. या तो देखो तुम लोग chaos करो, या मैं रोल नंबर बताऊंगा.
9,999.
एक
Sir, what is my roll number?
last 11.
My roll number is 2. 3.
I'll give everybody's roll number. Don't worry. ठीक है, मैं यहाँ पे वापस एक बार दिखा देता हूँ तुमको. ठीक है, wait. Can you see this? Okay. I'll call out the number. तुम लोग लिख लो. ठीक है. आद्या.
1.
अद्वई.
2.
अवनी.
Roll number 3.
इवान.
Number 4.
इसका गई. रशिया.
6.
ऋषित.
7.
वन्या.
8. Hello.
विधि. विहान.
10.
विहान.
10.
विवान.
11.
अद्विका.
12.
Correct. So I'll call out the numbers. Accordingly, you have to do it, right?
Yes.
Now, okay, roll number 1. Tell me fast. Next number.
Sir, I can see the screen.
अच्छा, sorry.
I don't need I can see only your. Sir, I don't need to
Face.
see the screen.
मेरे फेस पे तो क्वेश्चन नहीं आएगा, राइट? क्या करूं? ये मिरर थोड़ी तुमको दिखेगा. चलो, ओके. So everyone, 2 questions I'll give you to everyone to solve. चलो, तुम्हारा जो भी आएगा. जल्दी, आद्या.
The smallest 4-digit number is 1,000.
You can tell me directly the answer because we are going in a row, right?
Okay.
Okay, next.
80.
Very
It's
good.
my chance.
No, beta, two questions I am going to give everyone, right?
Acha. But that's two,
Yeah,
right?
2-3 questions I'll ask everyone to do it, right?
Three.
Wait.
2999.
Yeah,
2999.
right. 2999. Next.
7,000.
Hey,
Oh, no,
friend.
6,900.
Okay, if you take little time for a second or two, I'm okay, but I want correct answer, right?
Yup.
Rule number 3.
Yes, sir.
Place value of
No.
dash. Always.
Number.
हाँ?
Number. It was my chance.
गलत जवाब. कोई बीच में नहीं बोलेगा. जिसका आंसर है वही बोलेगा. कोई बीच में बोलेगा तो क्लास बंद कर दूंगा मैं सीधा. जिसका रोल नंबर है, आई let that person answer.
A number.
हाँ?
Of the digit.
No.
Sir,
Wait, कोई बीच में नहीं बोलेगा. Rule number 4.
0 at whatever place it must.
0. Correct.
0 at whatever place it must be.
समझ में आया अवनी?
Yes, sir.
The value of 0 is always remains the same. Correct?
Yes.
Next, the largest 4-digit number. Avni.
9, 8, 7, 6.
Largest 4-digit form using the four different digits. Yes. So it is 9, 8, 7, 6, right? Start with the bigger one.
Yes, sir.
Correct.
Sir, my chance is over, right?
अरे तेरा हो गया. अभी मेरा बाकी है ना. मैंने ऊपर एक ही किया, right? Smallest 4-digit number using. चलो. What will it be? 1, 0, 2, 3. राइट, क्योंकि मेरा ऊपर 1999 किया था ना, तो मेरा एक चांस बाकी था, राइट. चलो नेक्स्ट, राइट द फॉलोइंग नंबर्स इन वर्ड्स. ओके, यस.
I didn't understand the G1.
विच वन बेटा?
G.
C1, ये वाला.
No, G.
G1, the largest 4-digit number formed using the 4 different digit, right?
Yes.
So largest 4-digit number क्या होगा? You have 10 digits, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right? You have to make a largest digit, right?
Yes.
So biggest digit, which is 9, correct?
Yes.
Has to be in the highest place value, right?
Yes.
And they are saying different digit, right? So I cannot repeat the digit, right? Otherwise you have 999 already there, right? 4-digit number, right? Largest 4-digit number, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So what I am doing is I am forming a largest 4-digit number using this number. Chalo, I'll give you some example. Good. So this is how you should ask the question. I love it, right? Vanya, thank you. Okay. If I'm giving you, use the number to make the largest 4-digit number using every digit once. Vanya, banao. You have to use these 4 digits.
8, 2, 1.
Okay. Now smallest digit. Smallest
1.
number.
1.
Smallest number. Make 4 digit smallest number.
2. 8. 9.
Correct?
9.
Okay. Now listen very carefully what I'm saying. Okay. Make. Now this is very important. Listen everybody. Make largest even number. Chalo. From these digits. Make largest even digit.
There I got it.
Vanya. Anybody else has a doubt? Please tell me. I'll give them chance. क्या अवनी क्या बोला?
Can we repeat the number?
It is number is this only, right? Digits are given here on the top.
हाँ, but can we repeat them again?
No, no repeat.
Even number.
Yes. Vanya,
Yes.
what is given the largest? Chalo, I'll give you trick, right? I'll give you trick. This is largest number. So we already have a largest number with us, right?
Yes.
Is it odd number or even number?
Odd.
Odd number. Even number बनाने के लिए कौन सी digit चाहिए last में?
Even. 4.
कौन सी digit चाहिए? Even तो मेरे को मालूम है. Even कैसे मालूम पड़ेगा? Even कैसे है?
4, 8, 6. If it's 4,
अरे अरे एक सेकंड अवनी wait. Only one person will answer. Everybody listen carefully. If she don't answer properly, then I'll ask somebody else. Okay? And if you still have a doubt what she is answering, then you can raise your voice or raise your hand. Yeah. Vanya, tell me.
2, 4, 6, 8.
0 is not there, beta.
0 is also there.
Then why you not didn't tell me 0? Correct. Now यहाँ पे start from here because you have to make a largest digit, right? You already made a large number, right? Largest number, right? Now tell me which number I should put it instead of 1 to get the even number. Huh?
2.
2. 8 is also there, right? But we have to what come first? 2. So
2.
just 8, 9, 8, 1, 2. Done. This is largest even number, correct? Now we want to make a smallest even number. Same way. What do you do? You have already have from 9, what you should is the odd number, what do you replace? 8. 1, 2, 9, 8. Although this is bigger than this and this is smaller than this, but you want, because you want even number, this is how you have to make a change. Clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Vanya, is it clear
Yes.
now for you, beta?
Yes, sir.
Now here, what is the smallest digit in the mathematics? It's from 0 to 9, which is the smallest one?
1.
9 is the biggest one, right?
Yes.
Which is the smallest one?
0.
0, correct? So what they say, which we started from largest, we said 9, 8, 7, 6, correct? We started with largest. Now here, I said ke 4 digits smallest number. So it should be 0, 1, 2, 3, right?
Yes.
But 0 does not have any value if it is before the any non-zero number, right? So it will become what? It will become 3-digit number. So number cannot start with 0. It has to start with smallest other number, which is 1, and then 0 has to be included. 0, 2, 3. Clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Very good. ठीक है? चलो. Clear, everyone? वन्या,
Yes.
अच्छा लगा? समझ में आ गया बेटा?
Yes, sir.
Now see, this is I appreciate Vanya. जैसे नहीं समझ में आया उसे उसी टाइम पे मेरे को रोका, राइट? सो इफ somebody don't know, ओके, अरे ये दो जन कैसे है? वन्या और विधि साथ में. अच्छा, पापा मम्मी दोनों बैठे हैं. अच्छा, सॉरी. अरे बैठो बैठो सर, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं सर, आई डोंट माइंड. सिट 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 सिट. ओके, ठीक है. आई थॉट के दो दो स्टूडेंट है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, ठीक है
सर. फैमिली क्लास है.
वेरी नाइस, अच्छा है. लो, वेरी नाइस, आई एम हैप्पी. ठीक है. सो मेरे लिए तो और अच्छा है, मेरा एंडोर्समेंट ज्यादा होता है. सो इफ आई शाउट ऑल्सो, विच ऑल्सो यू हियर, व्हेन आई से टाइम पास ऑल्सो यू हियर दैट ऑल्सो. ठीक है. सो एनीबडी like Vanya told me, you should stop me there and there itself, right? And we'll have full book, we revise 2 times at least, right? And still you have a doubt, still you don't understand, I'll do complex. Like, see, I said biggest number, we done odd and even revision also on this. Clear? So we'll combine the topics and explain. Clear hai?
Yes.
So if you don't know, immediately you ask me, stop me and ask me. Clear?
Yes.
Vanya, very good. So keep it up, right? And जिसको आता है, they will not raise the hand कि सर मेरे को आता है. Somebody has a doubt, let them full complete the doubts, right? If you know, I am happy, very happy. But my focus will be those who don't know. they have to put the doubts. Clear? So it will save everybody's time and everybody learn to the fullest. Very good. Chalo, next.
Sir,
Yes.
roll number 4, na?
हाँ चलो नहीं अभी I'll tell you which one to solve. Roll number 4, right? Write the following number in words. आ जाएगा ये लिखने के लिए. I'm not taking it because we already taken. Number names to figures. Yes, आ जाएगा.
Yes.
Very good. चलो. And it is very thousands के अंदर है, छोटा है तो छोड़ दो. अपन we have taken millions to billions तक लिया था आपने, right? Write down the place value of the each of the digit. ये क्या है? Expanded form है, correct? तो रोल नंबर 4 बताओ क्या होएगा?
Place value of 8 is 8,000. Then place value of 3 is 300.
अच्छा
Place value of 4 is
8 को
4.
दान में छोड़ दिया है?
Sir, I said 8. Sir, I
8 का
said
क्या
8.
है?
I said
क्या?
8,000.
ओके 8,000 प्लस 300
300 plus 40 plus 7.
करेक्ट. ओके
And
नेक्स्ट.
then the face value is just 8, 3, 4, and 7.
एक मिनट. अच्छा प्लेस वैल्यू फेस वैल्यू. ओके चलो ये प्लेस वैल्यू हो गया. सॉरी. एंड दिस फेस वैल्यू 8 3
3,
4.
4, 7.
ठीक है. This is your face value and this is your place.
Face value.
Okay. Now they did not ask for the expanded form, so I cannot write this plus. I have to write comma. Correct? If they ask you for the expanded form, then only I can write plus. Correct? Since they don't ask, I am writing this. Chalo. Next, find the difference between the places value of 2 sevens in this. Very good.
Sir,
इसका एक ट्रिक बताता हूँ मैं. ठीक है. I'll tell you one trick which is very good.
it's easy enough.
बताओ. हाँ तो बता. आंसर बता.
The first 7 is 7,000. The second is 70. So the difference is 6,930.
6930. Correct? Chalo.
Yes.
I'll ask you some question. Okay. Everybody listen very carefully what I'm writing, right? Just see this. Okay. I'm writing this 801768452. Right? Now find the difference between the place value of both of this, right?
Both of what? 8.
Repeat the number what is repeating, right?
8.
Anybody can tell me very quickly what could be the answer without doing actual working. Anybody can give me the answer directly without working. Trick.
Sir?
Yes.
999 billion.
Right. Okay, what I'll do is I'll put this X. Okay, 0176x452. Now you should be able to find, tell me in terms of X what it will come. Forget about 8. It can be 7 also, it can be 4 also, it can be 3 also, it can be anything. Can anybody teach me? Shall I teach you? Trick.
Sir, but this yes. Sir, but this is a 10 crore number.
उससे क्या फर्क पड़ता है तेरे को?
Sir, it is 8.
उससे एक मिनट उससे क्या फर्क? कौन बोला 10 करोड़ नंबर है? क्या फर्क पड़ता है उससे? Did I tell you to pronounce the number? No, right?
No.
It can be 10 digit, it can be 20 digit also. क्या फर्क पड़ता है उससे? Why you want to now it? Oh, 5,000, 10,000, 20,000. Why, right? क्यों? Right? You know how to write the place value for this? Yes or no? इसका place value कैसे होगा बेटा ऋषित?
What?
इसका place value क्या होगा जो राउंड किया मैंने 8 का? इसका place value क्या होगा?
10 crore.
नहीं. प्लेस वैल्यू गलत है ये, प्लेस वैल्यू चाहिए मेरे को। कोई नहीं, ऋषित
Yes.
बता 8 का प्लेस वैल्यू क्या होगा? आई इफ यू डोंट टेल मी नंबर नेम, आई डोंट वांट, यू टेल मी व्हाट आई शुड राइट इन टर्म्स ऑफ डिजिट्स।
8 0 0 0 0 0 0 0.
कितना जीरोस? 1 2 3 4
8 0.
5 6 7 8, राइट?
Yes.
सो राइट 8 के बाद 8 जीरोस, खत्म हो गया बात। क्यों चाहिए मेरे को? राइट, यू शुड नो हाउ टू राइट दिस ऑल्सो, दैट्स इट, डन।
Yes.
वो 10 करोड़ है, 80 करोड़ है, 50 करोड़ है, 70 करोड़ है, तो इसको उससे क्या फर्क पड़ता है? डिड आई आस्क यू ओके टेल मी द नंबर नेम? बोला है मैंने? नहीं बोला। व्हाट आई सेड, फाइंड द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द प्लेस वैल्यू, जो रिपीट डिजिट है, राइट? सो व्हाट आई एम डूइंग इज हियर 8 and 8 आर इक्वल, ठीक है? हियर x and x आर इक्वल, करेक्ट?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
So 8 instead of x, it can be anything, right? Instead of x, it can be anything. Yes or no?
Yes.
Very good. So how will you write anything? Yes, tell me.
We'll write any number. Sir, Avni did not understand the trick.
Who beta?
I think I got it.
Yeah, who got it?
Adya.
Bata.
80 lakh.
I want a rule.
Sir, there are 3 commas in 80
कॉमा
crore.
चाहिए नहीं मेरे को कॉमा से मतलब ही नहीं है। आई डोंट वांट एनीथिंग 2 कॉमा 3 कॉमा, आई डोंट वांट नंबर नेम,
Sir,
आई वांट द वैल्यू एंड रूल हाउ यू कैन डू इट।
sir, the number of zeros in crore, we have to note it down, and the number of
नहीं,
zeros.
क्यों जरूरत है? वो किधर भी हो
Sir,
सकता है।
Sir,
एक मिनट आद्या, दिस कैन बी एनीवेयर। एक मिनट, हाँ, जिसको बोलना है वो हाथ ऊपर करे, बीच में सर मत करो।
ठीक है।
Those who want to talk to me, raise your hand. I'm talking to one person, right? Yes. Adya,
Yes.
it can be in 1 crore place, it can be 10,000 place, it can be 1 lakh place, it can be 10 lakhs place, it can be 10 crore place, it can be billion place, it can be billion place. Doesn't matter, right?
Yes.
I want a rule. जहां पर भी है, now I'm telling you the rule. Listen very carefully. The first digit, whatever you have. Now everybody listen to very carefully. This is trick what I'm giving you. The first number, whichever is, subtract by 1, right? All the numbers, digits between this and second digit, 1, 2, 3, 4, will be all 9s. And this last will be a friend of 10, right? So 8 hai, so यहाँ पे 2 आएगा. And then after this, all will be zeros. That is the difference. You take out and see here, whatever you've done. This 7, first one is what? -1. 7 minus 1, 6. After this you have 1 digit, तो 9 आ गया. ये friend of 10 आ गया. और last में 0 आ गया. Clear?
Sir, Avni don't understand. Yes, sir, I also didn't understand.
Who
Sir,
got
I
it?
didn't understand.
I didn't
I didn't know what he showed in
Very
class
good.
area, but I
Very
didn't
good. Very good. Very good.
showed it.
Chalo. If I tell you this, 8, okay. Listen very carefully. If you do it in this class, this much only, that is should be sufficient. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Correct? Minus how many you have? 8, 0, 0, 0. Correct?
Yes.
So when you subtract this is one zone. We already done this, right?
Yes.
We already done this, right? One zone.
Sir.
This is second zone. This is third zone. What is this? This is 0 zone. This is friend of 10 zone.
Yes.
This is
Friend
friend of
of
9
9
zone.
zone.
This is subtract by 1 zone. Correct?
Yes.
हमने किया है ना ये? किया कि नहीं किया है?
Yeah.
Very good. Correct. तो यहाँ पे subtract by मैंने क्या किया? Subtract by 1. All are 9 because यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं है, right? Here there is nothing. Clear है?
Yes.
So that's why all will come as 9, 9, 9, 9, right? This is 7 and this is friend of 10, 2 and 0, 0, 0. Clear? हो गया, इजी,
Yes.
करेक्ट. Now because it is a place value of the numbers, that there will not be anything here, and place value will be always one non-zero number and rest all will be zero, correct? We have done much complex thing than this, yes or no? Correct है?
Yes. Sir, can Avni go to the washroom?
Yes बेटा. Yes or no? Hello.
Yes.
ये कौन बोल रहा है? मेरे पास बुक नहीं है. विधि मैम, अंशु मैम, कौन सा बुक नहीं है मैम आपके पास?
सर ये वाला जो आपने बोला है ना, जिसमें से आप बुक में से करवा रहे हैं,
हाँ, ये मैंने सबको भेजा हुआ है मैम.
सर
चलो,
वो ये सर इसका ऑनलाइन कोई लिंक है क्या जहाँ से हम लोग ले सकें?
एक मिनट. है ना, इन लोगों को ये है, तो मैंने एक जन ने भेजा भी था, कैन आई बाय दिस करके. ठीक है. हाँ, ये वाला, ये मैंने जो जीमेल वहां पे भेजा था, ये आप वहां से आपने सॉफ्ट कॉपी डाउनलोड किया है?
यस सर.
ठीक है. किसी ने, मैम ने मेरे को एक, आई थिंक ऋषित की मॉम ने भेजा था.
हाँ.
इट इज अवेलेबल ऑनलाइन करके, उसने लिंक भी भेजा था. ऋषित मोहम्मद सेंड जस्ट नाउ. ऋषित, तुमने ऑर्डर किया ना बेटा?
हाँ सर.
ठीक है, मम्मी को बोलो लिंक ग्रुप पे भेजेगी. आई थिंक शी सेंड ऑल्सो. आई डोंट रिमेम्बर कि उसने एक बार भेजा तो था लिंक. ठीक है, चलो. एक बार मैं उसकी मॉम को पूछ लूंगी, आई थिंक पूछ लूंगा. लेट मी चेक वंस. शी मस्ट हैव सेंड मी ऑन अ पर्सनल दिस थिंग. एक तो ना, मैं पर्सनल में ज्यादातर इसके लिए एंटरटेन नहीं करता हूँ. ग्रुप पे डालोगे ना, सबको समझ में आएगा. एक मिनट, मैं सिद्धार्थ शिल्पा, निश्चित. हाँ, यहाँ पे व्हाट्सएप पे नहीं दिखेगा यार, ये बहुत पहले होगा. एक मिनट, आई जस्ट चेक. नहीं तो बेटा मम्मी को जरा एक बार भेजे ना, ग्रुप पे भेजे. ठीक
ठीक है.
है, आई सेंड दिस वन बेटा. हाँ, कंपोजिट मैथमेटिक्स, उससे मैम ने भेजा है मेरे को. 2025 का एडिशन है. ओके, शी विल सेंड द लिंक. ओके बेटा, मम्मी को बोलो ना एक बार ग्रुप पे भेज दे, राइट? और यू कैन गो टू अमेजोन, यू विल फाइंड दिस बुक, राइट? बट आई एम डूइंग इट हियर. तो अगर ये, इसका स्कैन भी बहुत अच्छा है. इफ यू कैन यूज, आई एम, ऑल विल बी ओके. बट इफ यू स्टिल वांट अ सॉफ्ट कॉपी, यू कैन डू इट, राइट? इफ यू वांट अ हार्ड कॉपी, यू कैन स्टिल डू इट. बिकॉज यहाँ पे करूंगा, लेट देम ओपन विद देयर बुक एंड दे कैन डू इट, राइट? चलो. ओके, सो यू गॉट दिस क्लियर एवरीवन? हेलो.
Yes sir.
राइट.
Yes sir.
अब यहाँ पे क्या है? फाइंड द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द प्लेस वैल्यू ऑफ 3 एंड 5 इन दिस, राइट? अब क्या होगा? 3 का क्या होगा? 300 है,
Yes.
माइनस
Yes.
50, राइट?
Yes 50.
वेरी गुड. तो अभी यहाँ पे अपना सेम चीज आएगा, राइट?
Yes.
3000 माइनस 50. सो व्हाट विल आई गिव यू द वेरी बिग नंबर. ये जीरो जोन, ये फ्रंट ऑफ 10, ये फ्रंट ऑफ 9, और ये -1. तो 2950 हो गया.
Yes.
इजी है,
It. It.
इजी है ना?
Yes.
करेक्ट. तो हमने तो बहुत डिफिकल्ट वाला कर दिया, राइट? वी हैव डन विद 8-9 डिजिट नंबर, राइट?
Yes.
दिस इज स्टिल वेरी इजी, राइट?
Yes.
वेरी गुड. क्लियर है?
Yes.
ओके. राइट द ईच ऑफ द एक्सपांडेड फॉर्म. एक्सपांडेड फॉर्म लिखने की, समझाने की जरूरत है मेरे को? आई ऑलरेडी गिवन यू, राइट? एक्सपांडेड फॉर्म को लिखने की जरूरत है. चलो, एक मिनट, राइट? चलो फटाफट, सारे जन बोलो. 5 6
4 5 6 1 5 8 7 5 8 7 5 0 8 7 5 0 8 7 5 0 8 7 7 0 7 7 0 7 7 0 7 7 0 7 7 0 7.
लिसन लिसन लिसन. एक जन एक टाइम पे बोलेगा, ठीक है? और एक नंबर बोल दिया ना किसी ने, अगर वो करेक्ट आ गया तो दूसरा नहीं बोलेगा। करेक्ट? 7707 है, राइट? ये किसी ने नहीं बोला, ठीक है? 9019।
9019
ठीक है। 6 6
6 0 3 0 8005 8005
वेरी गुड, ठीक है, क्लियर है, समझ में आ गया?
यस सर
वेरी गुड, ठीक है, चलो। काउंटिंग द 5 नंबर फ्रॉम दिस टू दिस, आ जाएगा?
यस
मैं जो तुमको नहीं आएगा तू ही मैं कराऊंगा, करेक्ट है? सो नाउ लुक दिस फ्रॉम चैप्टर 1, मैं अभी ग्रुप में लिख रहा हूँ, राइट? आई डोंट वांट यू टू सॉल्व दिस, राइट? लिसन वेरी केयरफुली व्हाट आई एम सेइंग, लिसन व्हेन आई एम सेइंग, गो थ्रू द chapters 1 to 4 from S. Chan book. Correct? Note the topics, questions or exercise or sub question. एक मिनट बेटा, क्वेश्चन you want me to revise or your child has difficulties in solving as a concept or speed. Correct? दोनों में कुछ भी है।
Instead of child spelling you wrote wrong.
हाँ?
Child spelling. Child spelling.
अरे ठीक है, समझ में आ गया ना? ठीक है, स्पीड, करेक्ट? ओके, सेंड द डिटेल्स बिफोर क्लास। ओके, सॉल्व द डिटेल्स बिफोर नेक्स्ट क्लास ऑन सैटरडे, ठीक है? बाय फ्राइडे, बिफोर
Sir, I have written Saturday.
फ्राइडे। अरे छोड़ना, क्या फर्क पड़ता है?
Saturday.
उससे क्या फर्क पड़ता है डायरेक्ट?
Saturday.
ठीक है, हो गया? ठीक है, क्लियर?
Yes, bye.
ठीक है, अगर ये नहीं आया तो आई अज्यूम कि एवरीबडी नोज एवरीथिंग, राइट?
Yes.
ठीक है, सो मेक श्योर दैट यू सॉल्व लेटर ऑन। डोंट सॉल्व, अभी मैं क्लियरली लिख रहा हूं, डोंट स्टार्ट सॉल्विंग, राइट? फर्स्ट check what are difficult, which is difficult to solve, correct? ये क्लियरली मैंने लिखा है, तो डोंट टास्क, सॉरी सर मैंने तो सेकंड चैप्टर देखा ही नहीं है, मैंने फोर्थ चैप्टर देखा ही नहीं है, ठीक है? आई डोंट वांट दैट। गो थ्रू ईच ऑफ दिस, लिसन टू दैट केयरफुली, go through it. If you have any doubt, post in a order, chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, chapter 4, correct? If you can revise, you can write the status, sir, I have done with chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3 is remaining, clear? Chapter 4 is remaining, which is okay. ऋषित क्या कर रहा है? क्या फ्लैश आ रहा है तेरी लाइट तेरे इसके ऊपर?
Sir, even though I'm doing this in my school.
एक मिनट ऋषित, what were you doing?
Sir,
तेरे वहां से क्या चल रहा था?
don't know.
कुछ चल रहा था बेटा, आज क्लास छोड़ूंगा नहीं तेरा। What was it? What was it?
Sir, can I go to washroom?
Yes, yeah बेटा। ऋषित,
Yes.
what was it running on your screen? Either you don't leave the class today or you don't attend my class from next week. You tell me fact, what was it? What was running in on your screen? Okay, call mommy. I'm not taking you in the class. I'm not taking the class from next week.
Sir, I was doing my screen up and down.
Why? What was the need? What was the need?
No need.
Is it playtime or what? What homework did I give you? बताओ, नेक्स्ट वीक के लिए मैंने क्या बताया?
What?
नेक्स्ट वीक के लिए मैंने क्या करने के लिए बोला है? व्हाट चैप्टर आई टोल्ड यू टू डू इट?
From chapter 1 to 4.
1
1 to 4.
क्या करना है?
We have to first look in, then if we have any doubt, we have to post it on the group.
Okay. And if you don't have any doubt,
Then you will assume that we know everything.
no, that is not assume. But if you don't have, genuinely don't have, then what you'll do? If you don't have a doubt, then what you'll do? You have seen all 4 chapters, right?
Yes.
If you don't have any doubt, then what you'll do?
Ask the member.
आज तूने चेक करे, चारों 4 चैप्टर चेक ले. It will take hardly 15-20 minutes to check every chapter, right?
Yes.
5 minutes every chapter, 20 minutes में तुम्हारा खत्म हो जाएगा. You have to just check the exercise.
Yes.
What exactly they want, right? Or maybe half an hour or 45 minutes or even 1 hour. What do you do then? If you don't have any doubt, चलो you just did down, but suppose you don't have a doubt, you are a brilliant student. तब क्या करोगे? Don't know, right?
You will tell sir that sir, I have done all the chapter, but I don't have any doubt.
You don't have any doubt, then what do you do? That is what I am asking.
Start solving.
Start solving. Very good. समझ में आया?
Yes.
और नेक्स्ट टाइम से मेरे को ये स्क्रीन के ऊपर चाहिए, मस्ती नहीं चाहिए. समझ में आया?
Yes. Sorry sir.
आई विल नॉट टेक यू द क्लास फॉर श्योर. ठीक है? सो आई वांट फुल फोकस. अद्वैय, क्या कर रहा है?
हाँ.
कहाँ था?
हाँ?
इधर टाइम पास चल रहा है क्या?
नहीं.
Am I doing टाइम पास यार? क्या कर रहा था?
I was just looking out of the window.
Why? What was the need? नरेंद्र मोदी आया क्या बाहर?
नहीं.
Then don't get up from the place.
Yes sir.
Next time I see anybody moving here and there, कुछ भी मेरे को दिखा स्क्रीन के ऊपर, I'll stop your class. ठीक है?
Yes.
चलो. Okay. See, I am taking light class. I am helping you to do all the difficult ones very easily, right? But I want full focus of the student also. Clear?
Yes.
Understood? Yes or no? Because we are going to give IPM, which is toughest exam, right?
Yes.
So you have to prepare like this. Now see what I showed you trick. वो ट्रिक कोई भी नंबर के लिए, कोई भी प्लेस वैल्यू के लिए चलाओ, सबके लिए चलेगा, right? All the number, first digit will be subtract by 1. All the digits between the two second digit, all will be 9, and last will be friend of 10. उसके बाद सब 0. You take any number, any digit number, it will work the same way exactly it is, right?
Yes.
Suppose if I ask you, if I give you a number, you tell me what are the two place values. Can you tell me? Yes? Shall I ask you one question? चलो एक लास्ट क्वेश्चन पूछता हूँ, देन आई लेट यू गो. करेक्ट, आज ऐसे भी थोड़ा ओवररन हो गया. ठीक है, आज हाफ एन आवर वी स्पॉइल्ड ऑन असाइनमेंट का चेकिंग एंड ऑल दैट, एंड फिर डाउट सॉल्विंग, राइट? नाउ सपोज इफ आई से माय आंसर ऑफ सब्ट्रैक्टिंग टू नंबर्स प्लेस वैल्यू, you tell me what is the place value of those numbers, right? Suppose if I give you 79993 sorry 4000. चलो मेरे को बताओ दो नंबर कौन से जिसका मेरे को आंसर आया.
हाँ?
Which are these two numbers? By subtracting them I got this answer. उल्टा क्वेश्चन. It is 8000000. Correct? For 3 zeros for this, 1 0 for this, 3 zeros for 9, 1 for 8, right? And then because it is 6 here, 4 here, it is 6,000. Clear? If you subtract this, you get 799940000. Clear?
Yes.
You should know from here also to go here, and from here also how to come here, right?
Yes.
Clear?
Yes.
Very good. चलो, so we'll take next time. ग्रेड 4 का 1 to 4 चैप्टर सब लोग चेक करके आओ. कहाँ भी प्रॉब्लम है, प्लीज मेक श्योर दैट बाय फ्राइडे यू सेंड इट. इफ यू सेंड इट टुडे, इफ यू सेंड इट टुमारो, जिसका फर्स्ट उसमें ग्रुप में आया होगा, आई विल सॉल्व दैट डाउट फर्स्ट, एंड देन फॉर नेक्स्ट, फॉर द नेक्स्ट, फॉर द नेक्स्ट. इफ आई टेक 1 session, 2 session, 3 session, आई डोंट केयर. बट बाय द टाइम आई गो टू ग्रेड chapter 5, everything should be clear for everyone. Clear?
Yes.
So I will only know if you send me the doubts. Clear or no?
Yes.
Very good. Chalo. Send me doubts. And next class, I'm going to give you chapter 1, assignment chapter 1 and 2. I'm giving you as an assignment, right?
Yes.
Assignment I'm giving chapter 1 and chapter 2, all questions of Aschan. Okay? Chalo, bye.
Bye, sir.
Sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye, 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 beta.